We're in Chocolate Hills. Dito na kami sa Chocolate Hills, guys. Bakit na kami doon? Mataas.
Wow, kapiwan ta boss.
Bakit kami doon?
Oh, what the heck is that?
Ito.
And you can take a break on the stairs.
Yeah. We're gonna go all the way there, Kyrie. We're gonna go all the way there, Kyrie. Go. Go. Say something. He said 235 steps. Ano kami dito, nakapunta na kami last time. Pero nakalimutan na namang ni Kyrie tsaka ni Clyde kasi hindi sila nakaakyat dito eh. Ang ganda dito sa Atlan. I'm gonna go all the way. Yeah. Tapos sa taas. Na steps. Let's go. Bakit? Grabe. Taas. 200 something steps. Mas maganda sa taas siguro.
Ano naman hook? Di ba kaya may hook yan?
Nandun pa si Mami Kat, napagod. Ganda dito meron ditong pwedeng magpahinga. Kung pagod ka ng mga umakyat, pwede ka magpahinga dito. Dami nila oh. Dami mga bundok na ano. Tara, let's go. Kita natin, malapit na. Bus. Oh, yeah. Let's go. She got tired. Ang taas na namin. Ah, you guys made it.
I'm so tired already. Oh my god, you're not. You're a little weak. You guys gotta exercise.
Let's go there. That way. Kyrie, let's go in the end. Come on. Yeah. Grabe, ang daming tao ngayon. Marami yung mga turista. Picture sila.
Excuse me, would you take a photo? I'm with Dad.
Come here. Grabe, ang daming tao. Let's go here. Go.
PCR ba dito?
It's a bird.
Yeah. Look at the mountain. There's a lot of them. Yeah. The hills. There's a lot of them.
It's a chocolate one.
Yeah. It's brown.
Look at how the grass moves on that one.
Mm-hmm.
It's like waves.
Is that amazing?
Yeah.
Those mountains.
And we have to climb that mountain.
How they shape like that, right?
What are they called?
Hmm.
They're gone. I don't see them.
Take a picture right here. Just like that pose. Yeah. One, two. One, two. Okay.
Oh, it's so. Ugh.
Where's Ate? Ate and Kuya. Look, those people. Let's go the other side. Come here. Yeah. Ooh, that's ATV. This motorcycle.
We're gonna go on there?
You wanna go there? You wanna try?
I know what it is.
Yeah. You wanna? Ooh, so windy.
Before, when
Yeah.
I was little, I
Mhm.
wanted a mini one. A mini
Oh, yeah.
ATV.
You wanna drive it?
Yeah. Isn't it like a four-wheeler?
Mm-hmm.
Look, it's over there.
Where?
They're driving it over there.
Is that one right there?
Yeah.
Non, je pense que je regarde, il y en a là-bas. Je pense qu'ils doivent passer en.
Come here, Kyrie. Where's Ate and Mommy? Can you take me a picture? Yeah, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe the lens in the back. Yeah, wipe it. Okay. Come here. Maybe here, Kyrie.
La pellicule, fait quoi cher?
After they're done, let's go there. Come here. Let's go.
C'est vrai, c'est l'avantage.
Bah, il y a des gens, mais après on les gomme. Je vais gommer tout ça. Elle va fait, c'est parfait.
Merci beaucoup.
Très gentil.
Yeah. The other way. No, go like vertical, horizontal.
Okay na dyan, ma'am?
Ouais. On peut descendre.
Took two.
Okay, let's go. Let's go find them. Come here.
Oh, we have to end again.
Huh?
À plus tard.
Where?
But they were on the stairs.
Yeah, earlier.
I saw them.
Let's go.
Après,
Oh, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Ice cream.
Oh, there's a store. Yeah, so drinks.
13 tita.
Drone zone. You can fly your drone here. Yes. Pwede magpalipad ng drone dito.
Yeah, could have brought a
Yeah.
drone, but I didn't want to play.
At wala akong drone. I don't have drone.
But you didn't want to.
Where is mommy
At the bottom.
and Ate? Oh, there. They're upstairs.
Oh, I see
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, mom's there now.
That was just take a good picture
Where?
over there.
Oh yeah.
The employees
Let's,
take pictures.
let's go. Again, let's go.
Mom.
Take a picture.
Mom is hot
Group.
and tired.
Group picture tayo, mami.
Dad, mom's legs are shaking.
Shaking? Why?
Mami,
What happened?
nag-ano, hintay.
Shake ka?
Yeah.
Nagutom ka na?
Yeah.
Kuha ka na picture, mami. Dito. Ano yun? May galad?
Hindi ko alam.
Libre. We went there. Kyrie, we went there.
Todo nyo na. Dito tayo lahat eh.
Next.
Picture tayo dyan. Kuya, yung ganun pa.
Sige.
Oh, watch out. Kaliwa, hold it.
Kaliwa mo. I got it.
Ayusin niyo yung... Parehas na po pag pukol na pukol ba?
Napagod ka?
Kailangan po ma'am, kasama kaya?
Maganda sana yung kung green na green yung Isa pa sila.
Ha?
Maganda sana yung kung green na green yung ano.
Yeah, yung bundok. Chocolate house. Chocolate house.
Pero paano kaya naka-FLT?
Saan?
Yan ang sa likod mo.
Ang lakas, no? Talo ka pa?
Yeah.
Nanghina ka?
Mamaya 30
Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Nanghina ka yung
So
tuhod mo?
dito, ito.
Bakit? Nanginig?
Yeah, sa nangangalan.
Baka ano, gutom ka na.
Hindi ah.
Hungry?
Kumain tayo tayong kanin.
Yeah. Kumain ka na kanina. Next tayo, next. Next. Oh, picture? Ayan tayo. Mamaya siguro pagka tapos.
Ready and 3, 2, 1. Okay again. Okay, the other pose. Like this. Like this, please. Ready and 3, 2, 1. Okay, like this. Okay, again. Okay, happy pose. Okay, group hug. Closer. Dari nga center. Dito po na side. Tapos kayo.
Katapos nila sir, sunod kayo.
Ah, sige.
Labas, sir.
Wala pa to dati, no?
Alin?
Yung pagpunta natin nung una.
Ansa?
Wala pang ganito.
Ansa?
Picture.
Wala.
Bago lang. Wala pa kasi dati to, guys. Yung ganyan na may ano dyan, picture. Dati sarili lang. Oh, yeah? I don't know what happened.
My dad is fat. Naku siya pa yung.
God, if someone chokes you, they can't even choke you. Your neck is too big to even choke.
Yeah, you're funny, boy. You know, you heard Kyrie said, if someone gonna
No, it's
choke me,
fine.
they can't choke
I
me
said
because I have no neck.
I said that, bro. Yo. I feel my chest.
Funny ka rin, man.
Tatlo tayo dyan ako. Even ka. Ay, sige, ako na lang po dito.
Next na may bus na? Next na kami?
Excited ka lang.
Excited. Yeah. Kasi hindi kayo nakakit ng last time. Kayong tatlo. Kaming dalawa lang ni Bebe.
Remember that? Dad,
Yeah.
it's like, and you're like, are you tired?
Yeah.
Kaya na po. Solid hope ko.
Gulo?
Ata
You have your glasses? Forget?
I'll hold it.
Wala
Okay.
yung phone
Mom's thing. Mom's how.
Maganda sana ko yung mga tao.
Sa gitna si Kyrie, okay? Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Ang hindi ko kasi magsuot ng ganyan.
Post naman kayo. Happy birthday.
Let's go down. Thank you, kuya. Baba na tayo.
Peace naman kayo. Peace naman.
Pagkatapos mo sila.
Girl, nandito na tayo.
Dito.
Your heart naman.
Wala pa bang Porket pababa, pero pagpakit pa ulit.
Heart. Very heart. Group hug kayo. Group hug.
Luhan.
Isang oras na naman.
Ito, beyond that.
Kayong dalawa ni ma'am, sir.
Pwede.
Just got it.
Here.
Ay, okay lang po. Siguro marami pang nagpipicture. Okay lang po. It's okay, man. Mama, don't go.
Nakuha ba? Ah.
Mamaya na. Asan si Clyde? Right there.
Clyde, let's go. Okay na?
Bro, we're done.
We're done.
Huh?
Let's go.
What happened?
Nothing.
Let's go.
So,
Ayan.
Pababa na tayo. Hmm. Grabe, pababa na kami. Let's go. Andun yung mga ATV. Andun na. Sige, baba na. Kaya pa. Sige, kaya pa, mami.
padilit pa ako.
Yeah. Ang dami pong tao. Maraming tao. Ang daming tao dito. Pahinga muna. Go, 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 let's go.
Baby dad.
What happened? Okay. Okay. Kaya pa.
Ha?
Una na kayo.
Sige, kaya pa. Dahan-dahan.
Tayo. Baka pa. Ayaw na ba?
Ha?
Skydiving dito yun.
Dahan-dahan. Yeah. Loh. Tik na mga laglag.
Hulog ka dad. Kuya! Kuya!
Asa si Kyrie? Ano doon na sa baba? Hmm?
Sabi ka naman. Hindi, may picture ko dad.
Ha?
Ayun ko naman.
Huwag review ko kay si Sir Ma'am. Una.
Sige. May paparating na naman. Ang daming ano ngayon, tourist. Grabe. Puno. Ha? Ang dami, no? Ano yung restroom? Oh, yeah, pala yun, doon, no? May restroom pala doon.
May daanan dito yun oh.
Yeah, may daanan nga, papunta doon. Uy, hi! Hey, be. How are you?
Good.
Kyrie, let's go.
Well, that kid is funny.
Why?
He's scared, right? That little boy.
Uh-huh.
And on the stairs, he was like this. That he was like this.
He's shaking?
Yeah. He's crying.
Okay, let's go. Bye, Kyrie. Ayan, nababa na kami. Punta naman kami doon sa Starshare. Let's go. Tarsier. Ito na kami sa mga tarsiers. Kita na namin malaki mata.
7 years later.
Yeah, 7 years.
7 years later.
Oh, they changed the entrance.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't use a couch.
Got no patch. Tahimik. Hanapin natin si Tarsier. Saan na siya? Please observe silence.
Sabi. Asan ito? Asan eh? Dili lang. Asan?
Look at the Tarsier.
I don't see any.
Tarsier. There's a Tarsier. Where is it? Oh, it's right there.
I see it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's right there. Welcome, sir. Hindi makita. Wala akong zoom in eh. Hindi makita. Eh, pero nandoon oh. Yung maliit. Yan oh. Yan. Maliit na. Yan, nandyan. Mga kalahi ko yan. Tarsier. Oh yeah. You got it. There's one more. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. So hey. Oh, yeah. Kuya, you need to wipe your lens in the back. Yeah. It's kinda blurry. Nasaan na yung Tarsier? Tarsier, oh, nandun. Meron dito. Meron. Got it.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
It's in a leaf.
Tarsier, Tarsier. Nice. Nasaan na? Meron, oh yeah. Yeah, just sleeping right there. That's so small. Natulog ang tertiary. Natulog, tertiary. Lakar mo Tara. Sana. Saan kaya? Kaya nga eh. Diyan siya. Meron ba dyan?
Nakakapit talaga daw.
Ha?
Nakakapit.
Yeah. Ang ano no, ang liit. Parang ganito lang kalait. Yung ano yung tertiary. Small. What if they ate it with the Yeah. It's my brother. Brother, how are you? Oh yeah, here we go. Right there. Right there. Ooh. Mami, baka umano. Nilagay nila. Oh. Hala. Hala. Ha? Ayan. Oh. Oh, he's shy. Yeah. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Turn naman nila. Ba't di mo naman? Restaurant. Yeah. Kitago. No? Ba't mo picture mo? Tara. Kulit ng tertiary. Nagtatago. Nahiya siya. Meron pa ba dyan? Saan? Bawal mag-ingay dito sa loob. Baka raw sila tumakbo. Mahiyain yung mga tertiary nagtatago. Oh, look at this, stickers. Wala lang. Oh, dapat maglagay pala ako dito rin ha. Ha? Maglagay pala ako dyan. Sunflower. Saan nagtatago? Uya, ha? There's a lot of things we can carry. Ang galing magtago ng mga tarsier. Ang galing magtago. Laki ng matangin. Mga tarsier. Very like this. Big face.
死了。
没死，刚刚看到它在动，走吧。
Yun lang. Yun lang yung tarsier. Mayayain. Tatago. Punta naman kami dun sa man-made forest.